Salah had always felt an emptiness gnawing at his heart, a void that nothing in the bustling city of Maradeh could fill. He walked through crowded markets and past towering buildings, but the noise only seemed to intensify his internal silence. His initial doubts about spirituality stemmed from his logical mind, which craved empirical evidence and tangible proof. Why spend time in prayer when the world demanded action? Yet, a whisper of something greater always lingered at the edge of his consciousness, urging him to seek more. One day, as if guided by an unseen hand, Salah found himself standing before the grand mosque of Maradeh. The call to prayer, the adhan, filled the air, wrapping around him like a forgotten lullaby. Inside, the mosque was a serene refuge from the city's chaos. The scent of incense and the soft murmurs of worshippers invoked a sense of peace he hadn't known he needed. Salah's initial steps were hesitant. His prayers felt mechanical, mere repetitions of words without meaning. But with time, his connection deepened. Each obligatory prayer, or fard, became a thread in the intricate tapestry of his spiritual journey. He found solace in the structured rhythm of the 5 daily prayers, which offered moments of reflection and grounding amidst his hectic life. The voluntary prayers, or nafil, became his secret conversations with the divine, filled with personal supplications and heartfelt whispers of gratitude and hope. Yet, Salah's path was not without obstacles. Temptations and challenges often tested his resolve. An old friend, Yusuf, represented a stark contrast in his life. Yusuf, once a close companion, had slipped into a life of materialism, his eyes clouded with the pursuit of fleeting pleasures. Their conversations exposed the chasm between their worldviews. Salah's growing spiritual discipline and Yusuf's mounting disillusionment. Why waste your time on invisible gods when the world offers tangible joy? Yusuf would mock, but Salah knew that material wealth could never nourish the soul. The mosque also became more than a place of worship. It was a community where Salah found support and shared his journey. The Imam's sermons delved into profound themes of spirituality, the essence of connection, and the transformative power of prayer. It was here that Salah discovered the beauty of dua, personal supplications that connected the deepest yearnings of the heart to the Creator. As his understanding grew, Salah began sharing his experiences. His words resonated with others who sought meaning beyond the physical world. Slowly, even Yusuf began attending the mosque, drawn by the change in his friend. Salah's story was not just one of personal transformation, but of community and connection, illustrating how prayer weaves individuals into a collective tapestry of faith and support.